Hazrat Ali described about fool as ahmaqun nasi man zanna annahu aqlun nas. The stupidest person is the one who thinks he is wise. Al ahmaqu fi kulli qawlin kazib. Everything a fool says is a lie. Minal homoki al ittikalo alal amali. Relying on valuations and longings are folly. Ihzaril ahmaka fa inna madarati ta'ibuka. Avoid fool because his service will put you in trouble. Hazrat Ali mentioned al-humoko istasubbo bil fazuli wa musahbatul juhala. Give useless abuses and the association of the ignorant is foolishness. Akbarul homoki al-ighraqo fil madhi wa zam. A big folly is to exaggerate praising or condemning somebody. He narrated, La atubat al-ahmaki bi misli sakuti alayh. A foolish can be punished by replying with silence, which can't be punished in any other way. Al-ahmako la yahuso bil hawan. A foolish does not feel insult. Hazrat Ali directed, Adovun akilun khairun min siddiqin ahmaq. Wise enemy is better than foolish friend. Al ahmaqo gharibun fi baladatehi mahanun baina izaihi. A foolish is stranger even in his own city and is disgraced among his loved ones. About foolishness, Hazrat Ali further explained, Min dalailil homoki dalatun bi ghairi alatin wa salfun bi ghairi sharf. Establishing an argument without reasoning and praise oneself without honor is foolishness. About fool, Hazrat Ali said, Turafu hamakatu rajule fi salasin. Recognize a person's stupidity on 3 occasions. Number 1, fi kilame fi ma la yugnihe. Talking pointlessly. Wa jawabahu amma la yus'alo. Answering an unasked question. Wa tahawwaruhu fil amur. Being bold enough to do all the works.